Good afternoon to you. My name's Kody McFerrin. It's coming up on 3 o'clock. By the time you see this video, it will be 3 o'clock. We're taking two boxes on your screen right now. I've got currently the main graphic system showing you the satellite radar picture as well as temperatures, and on the upper left part of your screen you're taking a look at I-55. This is a Missouri highway that's located on the west side of Murfreesboro. If you go across the Mississippi River, Perryville is located in there, and that's where this camera is located. You can see primary roads right now are looking fantastic. I don't see any real issues with those, but there could certainly be a couple of slick spots on those tonight. But I think the main concern is especially those secondary and rural route roads, which we're going to talk about here momentarily. Let's go back to the main graphic system. You can see temperatures have warmed up into the 30s. Right now we're struggling to hit that freezing mark. We may hit it by this evening, but either way, it's not going to do too much for us. The best thing that has helped us today has been the sunshine, which has helped to melt a lot of that, or not a lot, but some of that precip off of the roadways. But whatever is currently wet right now, go ahead and anticipate that to be black ice by tomorrow morning, as I think we're definitely going to be dealing with some issues towards your Thursday morning commute. As well. So here's a look at those road impacts. This is very subject to change. I'm going to be going to church later on this evening, so I'll update this as I head out there. I'll be able to get a better look at those roads, and I'll also check them after we get out too. That'll give me a good idea of what we can expect later on into the evening and into tomorrow morning. But anyway, secondary roads and bridges look to be a big impact, as well as some of those overpasses. They're definitely going to be slick in spots, so you'll want to watch those. Primarily, though, it's the rural routes that have not been treated, and or ones that have the snow and the sleet slush mixture, and that combined with the water will refreeze and again create black ice tonight. Primary roads don't look to be too big of a threat. 1 out of 5. Again, maybe an isolated slick spot here or there, but IDOT has done a fantastic job of keeping those clear. We'll continue to update this graphic, and I'll keep you posted on that as well. Note at the bottom of your screen we've already got school closings as well. That's mainly because of road conditions and due to ice concerns into tomorrow. That's another thing that we'll be updating throughout the evening, so I'll try to keep everybody posted on that as well. All right, let's talk about Futurecast, because I want to walk you through tonight. Here we are at 5 o'clock. Notice the pink purplish color you're seeing on your screen there. This is the temperatures map, and this is a model depicting what it thinks will happen as far as temperatures overnight. Now, tonight, depending on how much cloud cover we have, that will help to determine how low those temps go. Already at 22, being depicted by about 7 o'clock in the low 20s. As we get into the later part of the evening hours, towards 10, 11 o'clock, temperatures will be in the low 20s and probably in the upper teens, honestly, by then. By 11 o'clock, we continue on in, and by mid-morning hours, you can see, I'm going to stop this at 3 o'clock, Futurecast depicting some areas on the southeastern side already seeing those teen numbers. It's keeping some areas in the mid to upper 20s. We'll have to watch that, but understand that that's mainly because of what I just said with that cloud cover. So the cloud cover will be a determining factor because those clouds help to act as a blanket. As we head on in towards 4 and 5 o'clock tomorrow, you can see temperatures for the low that we record in the morning as low as 16 near Vienna, 19 down towards the Anna Jonesboro area. So it'll be a kind of a range depending on where you are, again, with that cloud cover. Let's take another look at Futurecast. This is a model tomorrow, or tonight into tomorrow, showing you the cloud cover. This is important because, as I said, it'll help determine our low temperatures for tonight. Notice where those wind arrows are showing there on the screen coming up out of the south. So here's 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock. We get some southwesterly winds pushing in and moving them up into the southeastern part of the area by 8, 9 o'clock. Cloud cover will be kind of on and off tonight, and again, if you get more clearing, you're going to be colder by the time you wake up tomorrow morning. Here's 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock showing we're going to have some clouds. I don't think it will be as thick in areas as what Futurecast is depicting here, but the main idea is some bands of cloud cover, mostly clear to partly cloudy skies at times. Some areas may have more cloud cover as well, possibly in the south and eastern parts of our region. Here's 4 o'clock and then 5 o'clock showing that by tomorrow morning, the clouds are going to begin to clear, especially as we head in towards tomorrow afternoon. So there's 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, we'll continue this, and here's where that model stops at 9 a.m. So that's a look at your first alert forecast. I'll be continuing to post updates throughout the afternoon and into the evening, especially because on those road conditions, because that will give us a better idea of what we do anticipate to occur as we get later on into the evening hours. So again, I'll keep you posted. Reporting in the Weather Center, live local now, K. McFerrin, 9 News.